The Planet Fitness standing calf raise machine can be used to help you build stronger calves. The machine targets your gastrocnemius and soleus, which are the two main muscles in your calves. The machine consists of a weight stack, shoulder pads that provide you support during the exercise, an adjustment for the shoulder pads, handles for gripping, and a thin, sturdy platform for you to place your feet. To use the machine, select the weight you want to use. Step onto the platform with the balls of your feet on the edge, letting your heels hang off with a slight bend in your knees. Position your shoulders under the pads and adjust as needed to make sure it rests comfortably without straining your neck. Inhale, then exhale as you press on the balls of your feet, elevating your heels. Squeeze your calves at the top of the movement. Hold this position for 1 to 2 seconds. Inhale and lower your heels back down below the foot platform to feel the stretch in your calves. Beginners can perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets, resting for 30 to 60 seconds in between. To progress, you can gradually increase the weight and adjust your counts. There are other Planet Fitness machines that they've recently added, which you can learn more about in the video on the right. Thanks for watching.